In this video, I'm going to reveal some key secrets you can use to learn how to get leads with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can start generating targeted people going to your website in incredibly predictable ways. Now, this is going to work for you whether you're an affiliate marketing beginner or if you've been doing affiliate marketing for a while. The things I share as you follow me, specifically towards the end of the video, when you see the full formula, is going to allow you to predictably and easily generate these leads. So before I dive in, I do want to share with you, I have a new training you can get access to at the link below. And I reveal an autopilot method you can use that I've personally used over the last 6 years to generate 70 plus leads a day, again, on autopilot. Now, you're going to be able to check that out at the link below. But let me dive right in. Okay, so the first thing before you start getting leads is you want to choose the right niche. Okay, now what is a niche? If you don't know what this is, basically it's a specific category of people that are looking for a solution. Okay, so you don't just want to try to just get leads, random people. I remember, 6 years ago when I had just gotten started, I remember I was stumbling around Walmart, okay, passing out business cards and little flyers, leaving them everywhere, because I was thinking that if I just got enough people to see my link, that I was going to make commissions. But what I realized is that the riches are in the niches, okay? You want to focus on a specific group of people, okay? Whether it's people that want to lose weight, whether it's people that want to make more money, okay? You want to focus on one of these targets and then just use the rest of the formula for that, okay? Stop trying to target all these different people. That's why you may get 100 leads one day and you still don't make sales. It's because the people that you're generating, those leads, are not interested in the product that you're promoting. So once you have that niche, the next step is you want to start posting, sharing valuable content to the marketplace, okay? So let's say you identify that your target market, your ideal person and lead is trying to lose weight, okay? Let's say you're promoting a keto product to the marketplace and they're just trying to lose weight with keto. So what you can start doing is you can actually share valuable content, valuable information that would attract that type of person, right? What would that person be looking for? And you can go ahead and post that on social media, on a blog or an article, and this will start to allow those types of people to find you. To share another quick story, on my journey, I learned through a guy to message random people on Facebook, right? This was a strategy to generate leads, and I started doing that. And just after the first month, I absolutely hated my life, right? Because I was chasing people, I was bothering people. But once you learn what I'm sharing with you and you learn how to actually attract people to you, already looking for what you have to sell, you're going to make a lot more money, a lot easier, and a lot faster. Then the next part is using social media. So one of the easiest and even free ways you can start getting a massive amount of leads with affiliate marketing is to post on social media. So using the other point where you want to share valuable information, valuable content, I highly recommend you share this on a social media platform. Now, it does not matter which one. It could be Twitter, it could be Instagram, it could be TikTok. Pick one that you enjoy, that you can stick with, and you want to start posting. Now, again, you want to post valuable content your ideal customer, your ideal lead would be searching for. So again, it could be if you're promoting a dating product, teaching people how to get back with their ex-lover, you could give away information such as, 5 tips to get back with your ex-lover. And then you can give away some value and then ultimately lead them to your product or service. And one of the last pieces in this powerful strategy is giving calls to action. A lot of people, they post videos, they post things on Facebook, but they never tell people what to do, right? What you want to do is you want to always tell people what to do inside of your content, okay? Now, this could be go to the link in my bio. This could be if they're watching a YouTube video, go to the link under this video and get access to my guide. It does not matter where you are. You want to be telling people to go to your link because that's how you're going to be generating those leads. It's one thing to post and get some engagement. Some people, they get a lot of engagement on Facebook. I know a lot of these people, they're getting over 100, 200 likes on Facebook and they're still broke. And the reason is is they're not telling people what to do. They're not telling people, giving them a call to action to click a link, purchase a product, pull out a credit card, and make a decision, okay? So using these strategies, you're gonna be able to get more leads with affiliate marketing. And the last thing is paid advertising. So if you don't have a lot of money right now to do paid traffic, paid advertising, you can start with social media. But once you start making these commissions, once you start getting these leads flowing in, the next thing is you want to take a portion of that money. Okay, I recommend about 30% of your commissions, and you want to invest that into paid traffic because you want to start getting your leads generating a lot faster and a lot easier. Now, at the link below, when you go through that training, you're going to discover how you can actually generate leads on autopilot without spending money on paid advertising. Okay, it uses very simple videos that you can post that you don't even have to create yourself to get autopilot leads. But if you don't use that, right, if you're one of the few people that aren't going to take action and check out that training, then what you can do is you can do paid advertising. And that's still an autopilot method of getting leads. So basically every social media platform is going to have some form of paid advertising source, okay? So if you're on Twitter, they have Twitter ads. If you're on TikTok, they have TikTok ads. Whatever social media platform you like, start with that platform, pay, okay, 30% of whatever you make. So if you make, $1,000, you can do $300. You invest back into your business, you run these ads, and your goal is to generate at least break even or more money. Now, these are just a few key secrets that I've personally used over the last 6 years to generate thousands and thousands of leads very easily. So like I said, be sure you get the link or go to the link under this video. Be sure you get access to my training. I'm going to go way more in detail. I'm going to reveal different strategies that I've used inside of that one method to get 70 or more leads in a single day on autopilot like clockwork. Okay, so again, check that out. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon for more. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.